Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Austin, Texas. The sister city of Los Angeles. Man, I gotta stop talking about California fires. I had the weirdest dream this morning. I was dreaming that my house burned down to the ground. And when I woke up, I said, thank God it was just a dream. I think the Lord is trying to tell me something, right? Stop talking about it. Yeah. Whether it was real or not, the feeling was absolutely horrific. What's wrong with the left lane? You guys are just changing places. Thanksgiving greetings from where are we? Carl's Corner, Texas. The local time is 6:06. The temperature here is 31 degrees, but the wind chill is 23 degrees. It is cold and breezy, and it's cold outside. I'm pretty surprised that it's that cold here in Texas, especially South Texas. But anyway, continuing our journey to Capitol Heights, Maryland. Let's see, 1,400 miles. So the game plan is to take, what is this, Highway 35, right? To Highway 30. Oh, Interstate 40. 40 to 81, 81 to 66, all the way down to oh wait, Joe Biden ain't gonna be there. This was his last day. We're gonna miss him. Anyway, that's all I got to say about that. Have a good and godly day, everyone. Peace. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Dallas, Texas. Texarkana, that's the one we want. The temperature here is 35 degrees. It's a little bit warmer. I tell you, it was downright chilly down there in San Antonio. All right, come on over. Come on. Come on. Go. He doesn't want to get over then. Still got his turn signal on. Alright, 1345 more miles to go. That's a long, long way out there, ain't it? Look at all the chicken lights. That's a lot of electric bills. Here, doggy. Here, doggy. everybody. Good afternoon, greetings from North Little Rock, Arkansas. About a month ago, for some odd reason, the boss decided to switch from the Pilot Flying J to the TA petrol truck stop for fuel. I don't think I would be, how do I put it? Well, let's just say I'm not satisfied with it. I find the petrol PA fuel pumps to be old, outdated. A lot of times their keypads or their machines are not working properly. So I'm having to go back in, having the fuel desk activate the fuel. Not to mention, I don't like their driver reward point system. I really don't. Let's go through it by the numbers. I have not been in here for many years. I used to stop in here quite a bit. But I do miss shopping or doing my fuel at the Flying J Pilot. 139 for a classic. Road King. By the way, I have some very sad news. My big radio, my Magnum S9, started smoking yesterday. It blew the finals, and the CB shop wanted I think they wanted $250, I think it was, and they can't even get the parts. I have to be the one to supply the parts for them to fix it, and yet they will still charge me $200. That's crazy.
So that'll be a fleet page. No, not a fleet page.
They don't call them highway robberies for nothing, right?
Okay, you need to decrease that.
I'm on this.
Excuse me.
You need to clean it out. I thought you wanted a bag.
Oh, no. I'm sorry. I want the back, but I want to get another. Thank you. Hold on 1 minute. He just helping his mom. He was helping his mom. Yeah. All right. You okay, Mom? Y'all good? All right. All right. That old boy, he's pretty good old helper right there. Y'all might need to take a rich stuff.
Please seat yourself.
Hello, how are you?
Hi.
To anywhere you like, and I'll be right with you.
Okay, not sure yet. Hey, give me a shower before I drive out your customers.
All right.
How much is a big thing on Russell's
I don't know how to do this. I only have a temporary card. Oh boy. I'll catch you guys later. Okay, shower 134. 134, shower 13. What was it again? Shower what? See? That's my problem. Shower 13. I mean, geez Louise. Okay. 6834. Go. Whoosh. I'll wake you up. I got a question. Why is it that the shower head is always right facing that way? Doesn't it make sense to put it over there? This way, so you have a lot of room? I never understood that. You know, one thing else that I don't understand? How come they always put these so low? You gotta go all the way. Why not put it right here? Right? So you can just... I never understood that. I don't get it. See, look, you sit down, right? You gotta go. I don't know. It's just me. Sheesh. Hey everybody, John and Good here. Greetings from Capitol Heights, Maryland. Today is Tuesday, January 21st. The temperature here is a whopping 18 degrees. It is cold. Chances are we're going to have a successful delivery here in Capitol Heights again. Problem is, my delivery appointment was 7:30. The local time here is 9:20. So we're a little bit late. Yeah, I'm not feeling too well. I got some major runny nose, itchy eyes, sneezing. Right now I just wanna find a really hot sauna bath or a bathtub and just live there for a couple of days. It's not easy being sick in the truck. You don't have all the comforts of of home, and it makes you more miserable. But you adapt because you don't have a choice. I just got a text message from Long Haul Larry. He said, "Oh boy, I made the TV." I think he's causing problems again. You ever seen those guys on TV or in the internet where they have a town hall meeting and you just have this one guy that causes problems and objects to the officials? Not that they're doing anything wrong, but they're not scared to speak their minds. You know what I mean? Well, that's Larry. Larry is one of those guys that can tell the mayor or whoever to shove off if warranted. That guy don't care for who or what or nothing. If he sees you doing something stupid, he's gonna call you out on it. And you know what Larry hates the most? He hates smart people. People claiming smart, doing stupid things. Oh, he can't stand that. If you claim to be smart, you should do something smart, not dumb. Alright, I'll be right back. Alright everybody, we've been assigned to door 1. I am so grateful that she did not ask me to go back out in the street. wait for a door. We actually get a door right away. Oh, I don't feel good. Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Greetings from Capitol Heights, Maryland. All right, I had a after getting unloaded, I had to go and lay down, get some sleep. Oh, I don't feel so good. I feel better than what it felt like before, but yeah, it's crazy. I'm using a box of tissue, and I'm down to half of it since yesterday afternoon. It's like the Hoover Dam in my nose. It never stops. And the tears, watery eyes, it's crazy. Anyway, we are empty and headed to Carlisle, Pennsylvania. Yeah. It never stops. It's like, where is it all that runny nose coming from? And my nose is so sore from wiping, you know. I don't have a fever or anything. I don't think it's COVID. I don't know where I got it from, but sheesh. Pretty strong strand of cold. You know, the medical field, they're looking for cure of cancers and HIVs and a lot of diseases, right? How come they can't cure a simple cold? Polio got eradicated. Tuberculosis got eradicated, you know. But a simple cold dish. Alright, show you what we're doing here. That's the place we're headed to.